Hey everybody, welcome to Parks and Pizza. Today we're going to make the New York style pizza dough for the home cook. Now a lot of guys online claim they make New York style pizza dough, but you can't make it if you don't have this. If you don't have this bad boy, you can't make New York style pizza dough. What is this? This is Golden Mills Old Trump's High Gluten flour. This is the flour that pizzerias in New York use, and it's the only flour that will give you an authentic New York style pizza at home. If you use all-purpose, if you use bread flour, if you use double O Neapolitan flour, you're making pizza. You're not making New York style pizza. That's the only way to make authentic New York style pizza at home. You have to use Old Trump's. Let's do it. So now you're going to add the water. It's going to be 1 cup of water. Make sure the temperature is not over 115, which I'm right at the top line. And we're going to go in with 2 grams of yeast, and we're going to add a little bit of sugar, because it's a home cooked sugar. Helps with browning. Now you're going to add the flour slowly. I'm going to add some oil into the ball, spread it around. Dough's looking really good. It's mixing up. It's at this point, it's just the way I wanted it to look. Alright, so the machine's done mixing. Pull the dough out. I'm working by hand a little bit. It looks good. I like the way it looks. It turned out pretty good. Just gonna work it a little bit. Soak it in this olive oil so it doesn't get all crusty on you. So what we're going to do now, we're going to let it sit. We're going to cover it with cellophane, and we're going to let it sit for about half hour, 45 minutes, or until it doubles. Can't believe how good this turned out. It looks beautiful. You're going to roll it into a ball. Make sure to close the belly button on the bottom here. Make sure to close it. Olive oil on the plate. Beautiful, look at that. That looks beautiful. So that's one pizza. So this recipe makes about 2 12-inch pizzas. Go spread that one out. Pick this one up. Same thing. Roll into a ball. Close the belly button. Just close it like this. Make sure it's completely closed. And then just go oil it, oil it, oil it. There you go, you get 2 pizzas. 2 beautiful pizza doughs ready to go. 24-hour cold fermentation in the fridge. We're going to make some pizzas tomorrow.